How are you going, everyone? It's Duncan from Overland Journals, and today's video is about dry rot and what I'm going to do to protect against dry rot. Now, some time back, I think it was summer last year, I did a video on dry rot and what dry rot is all about. If you missed that, go take a look, link above and in the description below. Basically, when like your spare wheel or anything else that's an accessory attached to the outside of your 4x4 or any vehicle for that matter is exposed to the harmful UV rays, and these are really particularly relating to rubber products. They get damaged over time because of the UV rays eating into them, and it's called dry rot in a very basic sense. So you got to do something to protect against that. And now that summer has finally arrived here in South Australia or Australia in general, I'm pretty conscious about that, and I want to do something to keep my spare wheel particularly and a few other products which are prone to dry rot protected. So what I use is this product here. The turtle wax product. I'm not sponsored by these guys. I don't get paid to say this, but it's a product I've always used, and it's a simple tire spray. It gets your tire nice and shiny. But apart from that, this particular product's got a UV coating as well. Not every tire shine spray has got UV coating, so you need to be very careful about that. So I'm gonna get this, go out there to my 4x4, and I spray this, because I don't want dry rot. I don't want to have to replace a brand new tire which has never used just because the UV rays decided to do something about it. So let's go out there. So as I said, any accessory or product that's got rubber and plastic in it, or just rubber, they're prone to dry rot if they stay exposed to harmful UV rays for a prolonged period of time. So in my case, Dyson stays parked under the carport, but the back end of it is exposed. So particularly my spare wheel and the bin bag behind it. So all I do is get this and spray it on. And I also spray some of the other products that could get damaged over time. Like for instance, my awning over here. And that's about it in my case. Now, what you got to remember is this is not an absolute protection against dry rot. It's in the case of the spare wheel. What I also do is when I do my wheel rotations on a regular basis, I make sure I get the spare wheel to go in as well and becomes part of one of the running wheels. And then the other products, I try and keep them covered wherever I can, but if I cannot, then this does the job for me. I hope you enjoyed that video and found it useful. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed already, please do subscribe. My channel is all about sharing my experiences in overlanding with the rest of the community and learning from everybody else. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next week in another video.